Plantations Socfinaf Ghana Limited is into plantations development, specifically the development of oil palm and rubber plantations and the processing of the palm fruits into palm oil, and subsequently it will also be processing the raw rubber into crumb rubber for export. Plantations Socfinaf Ghana Limited started its operations in Ghana in January 2013. And so far, we have planted 6,000 hectares of oil palm and then about 1,000 hectares of rubber. We have already established the oil mill. We commissioned the mill about 2 years ago. We are yet to establish a plant for the rubber. Originally, the plans of the company was to develop minimum 6,000 hectares of oil palm, 6,000 hectares of rubber. We have achieved the objective of the oil palm. For the rubber, we are constrained by environmental problems to the extent that we do not think we would be able to expand the rubber plantation anymore. Plantations Socfinaf has completed its developmental cycle. Plantations Socfinaf Ghana Limited, as we speak right now, employs some 2,200 Ghanaians. Most of whom come around within the surrounding communities. Now Daboase is thriving because there is purchasing power in the system. We are infusing about 1.5 million into this small community every month. And as a result, businesses are booming everywhere around. At the fiscal level, pay as you earn, that is payroll taxes and withholding taxes from the goods we buy and the people who do contracts with us and so forth. On the average, we put that at 200,000 Ghana cedis every month. Currently, we produce about 25,000 tons of palm oil. In a few years from now, we will hit 30,000 tons. Without that, this quantity would have been imported. And so PSG is saving the country a lot of foreign exchange on palm oil imports. Avnash and Wilma are based in Tema, and the Joabin oil mills is based in the Ashanti region. We supply them with the palm oil that we produce, and they in turn process them into refined cooking oil. We have the most modern milling equipment, and the newer your equipment, the better your end product. And so our palm oil is a very, very first grade palm oil that we produce. We have 27%, the highest oil extraction rate in the country. The climate in this part of Ghana is good for both rubber and oil palm. PSG, or Plantations Socfinaf Ghana Limited, is part of a big group, the Socfin group of companies. It's currently headquartered in a state called Fribourg in Switzerland, with 14 plantations in Africa, most of them located in West Africa. And Ghana is one of the countries where they have very few expatriates compared with other countries like Sierra Leone and so forth. That is a plus for Ghana, manpower. Our location is very unique, very strategic. We are not too far from Takoradi, which is a commercial center. There is also a port at Takoradi, which is also very good for our business. And then from here to Accra, also the road is tarred, very good. So infrastructural-wise, our location is very, very good. We have worked very well and very closely with GIPC, especially when we were building the oil mill. They have been very, very helpful in helping us get some exemptions from the machinery and other components that we have brought into the country. There is nowhere that one can go to do business that everything will be smooth 100%. And we believe that while there may be some challenges, advantages or the opportunities in Ghana far outweigh the few challenges that we have encountered. I encourage investors to come to Ghana, invest in Ghana, grow in Ghana, and grow with Ghana.